Dangerous ride. TVJ's access to information request shows Health Ministry worried about injuries at a St. Mary attraction. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpartMedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, consumer confidence touches 5-year high.
Bleak outlook, what university students are saying about job prospects.
Emotional debate in Parliament over the government's planned removal of auxiliary fees.
Concerns about electricity theft in Clarendon.
And in business news, customs increased targeting of companies trying to evade duties.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What factors influence the areas of study you choose, or would you choose to study in tertiary institutions?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.